Well, the state of Indiana is now not expected to hit its peak for coronavirus cases until late this month. That's according to State Health Commissioner Christina Box. News 18's Meredith Hackler joins us now live to tell us why the projected surge date has been pushed back. Meredith?
Jeff, just like I am right now, majority of people are isolating in their homes and practicing social distancing. Now, according to both local and state officials, that's the reason that the peak of the coronavirus isn't expected to come to Indiana until later. COVID-19 cases are now expected to peak in Marion County in late April, and for the rest of the state, the peak is expected at the beginning of May.
The fact that these models are changing are specifically related to the effects of our social distancing and the success that Indiana has had, along with a lot of the other Great Lakes states.
Along with the surge date being pushed back, according to modeling scientists from the University of Washington's Institute for Health Metrics and Evaluation, the number of projected deaths in Indiana has decreased as well.
Their model had predicted about 95 deaths per day in the state of Indiana from COVID-19. They revised their projection and lowered that projected number of deaths to 45.
And while these changes are good, health experts and state officials say it's a direct result of social distancing and the stay-at-home order.
The actions that we've taken to contain, to mitigate, we knew this would work. We knew this was the most important tool and action that we could use and take. And to date, we can see that progress.
We all really need to continue our efforts with staying at home, with practicing our social distancing, avoiding large crowds.
And one reason it's important to flatten the curve is so the healthcare system isn't overwhelmed.
My biggest concern would be the ICU patients all coming in at once, and to make sure we have that the staffing ability in a very quick moment.
Now, Dr. Christina Box did not give an exact date on when Indiana is expected to be hit with a surge of coronavirus cases. However, she and local officials want to make sure people are continuing social distancing, isolating in their homes, and hand washing. They say the more we make these sacrifices now, the sooner we'll be able to get back to normal. Live from my apartment in West Lafayette, Meredith Hackler, News 18.